One big house, 5-story tall. Several people living there and all. One person is the star of it all. And his name is Nich. Nich. Leader of the pack. All his friends and crew have a knack. Here in the house are the adventures of Nich. Nich, Nich. Go, go, go. N-I-C-H, Nich.
Knick-knack?
Yes, Sue.
Why are you covered in honey?
Because I can.
Bears love honey, Knick-knack.
And 2, you actually kept that bear? Nick, like, what is that bear? Eating himself?
Yeah, and where did you even get that bear?
I didn't get that bear to eat.
His name is Winnie.
Well, that bear hates me. I sure do. Knick-knack, I wasn't even talking about you. I was talking about...
Seems to hate when you mimic other popular bears.
Welcome to the best ever!
Hey, where did Nich go?
You are grounded.
That's karma for you.
Have you seen Winnie Stain's fur?
It smells disgusting, and up close, it looks hideous.
Are we like sleeping over?
Yeah, we are! Best sleepover
Like ever?
Yeah! Pillow fight!